Hi, everybody. Hope you're all having a great day. It's Lavinia and welcome. Today's video is really just a project share. It's something that I dusted off my sewing machine. It's something new to me that I've made and I want to sell it at my craft fair. So here it is. This one is actually my only one that I've made and I'm keeping this one for myself. I think it's just so cute. It has this little skunk with little flowers. So like, Disney's little skunk flower. I think it was Disney, right? With Bambi and flower. And some of the leaves have yellow and green. And then the inside lining is this geometric shape as well as the bottom of the bin here. There's some interface that I have pressed here for the outside of the bin as well as here at the bottom of the bin. So it does give it some sturdiness. So let's say, I want to use it to maybe carry some items. I can go ahead and it's sturdy enough, to keep that in there. Let me take a look at the finished product here. So I would say it's approximately about 4 inches in height and probably, again, about 4 inches across. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to put handles or not. That might be something that maybe I might do for a couple. Not sure. Again, it is sturdy enough, but I suppose depending what you have in there, if you wanted a handle, I can go ahead and I can do that. I did a top stitch here. Very easy project. I'll do a tutorial. I'll be busy today cutting some more material, so I'm not sure if I will do the tutorial today. I'm definitely going to be cutting the fabric today. So at some point I will have a tutorial for this. But I think it's so cute. Let me know what you think. Do you think I should put handles? Again, I might do, maybe for some I'll figure out and maybe put some handles in there. I was thinking that maybe for this size, maybe I'll sell them for $3 empty. I might even, maybe I could even put like candy or some, fill it with maybe some other items, maybe sewing notions or pencils and pads or something like that, and maybe sell those for $5 to $7. I'm not sure. And maybe if I make larger ones empty, maybe I could sell those for $7, $7 or $8, and filled maybe for $10, I guess, depending on the size. But I could always use these. So yeah, so I think they're really cute. You can put them in any room, give them as gifts. So just wanted to, again, show this to you guys. Again, this is fabric from the Fat Quarter Shop. Again, it's probably about 3 years, but you can take a look at some of my earlier videos where I do the unboxings. I have several fabric packs from them, along with other other companies that I might have bought, like from Hobby Lobby and whatnot. But these are cute. So again, just wanted to go ahead and show you. Let me know again what you think, maybe price-wise. And thanks so much for watching, everyone. I will see you soon. Bye.